channel. So yun, nakapasok na yung mga bata. Nagbihis ako ng konti sa harap. I'm going to clean yung likod namin. And then, konting linis ulit. As usual, we'll follow the calendar. At the moment, I am working on getting for social media and what else? SEO for our website. I am just about to edit last week's vlog. And what else? I would probably come up with 2 or 3 articles this morning for the G-Spot company, and our website's link is at the description box below. So, that should be it for today, I think. Meron pa rin ako, guys, hindi ako makapag-vlog masyado kasi meron akong pimples breakout, as you can see sa video, as in, bongga siya. Yeah, ang dami nila. Yes, ouchie. But, gagaling din yan. Lilipas din. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
Alas po.
Bye! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Hi guys! So, it's August 10th. And, well, we actually thought walang pasok today kasi there was this false announcement on Facebook and it has the Inquirer's logo. Nadala kami sa false announcement na walang pasok today. Hindi nakapasok yung boys. Pero si Kuya, wala na magising si Lucas. And he decided na wag na pumasok. I told him that's okay as long as matapos niya yung i-memorize niya. For their presentation sa Linggo ng Wika, which is on the 23rd, I think. And then, si Kuya Love, he decided that he wanna go to school kahit half day. So, yeah, kaalis lang niya. And ako, naka-duty pa rin ako sa work kasi I slept from around 3 in the morning until around 8. So, I started working again from 8 a.m. Manila time hanggang ngayon. Naka-duty pa rin ako sa work. But, I might have to stop for maybe an hour or so. I just wanna clean the house kasi as you can see, our house is a terrible mess. Well, we have 5 dogs. It's always messy here. But then again, of course, you have to somehow parang sweep the floor or, you know, stuff like that. Hello, guys. It's, August 11th of 2016. It's 12:53 in the afternoon, 12:53 in the morning, New York time, and I am still working. Pangit pa rin yung place. We put you on monopod. Ayan, monopod na kayo. Mas stable na yung hawak ko sa phone. Actually, wala pa. Gusto kong bumili ng tripod. Kaya lang, for phones. Kasi I use my phone to vlog. Vlog, edit, lahat. Pati music, nasa iPhone lang. I think my phone is really handy. Lalo na kapag may mga occasions or spur of the moment. English best! And then, what else? I want to show you guys. Ito yung, ayan na siya. Ito na yung color na ginawa ni Mister. Hindi pa rin siya yung gusto kong ma-achieve. Gusto ko kasi a little lighter pa. Plan was to go Harley Quinn, but hindi ito malabit. So I guess I'm just gonna have to stick with this. And then naroon ako nung nabili kami nung crepe paper para matry namin yung pagko-color ng iba-ibang color ng hair. I might do that siguro next week. Masaya pa ako. I need this papaano na ulit ako. I really love my hair right now. Alam mo yun, mala heart defensor lang. Diba? Cutie. anyway, si Mister kanina pa siya umakyat around, I think it's around 9 or, hindi, 9 siya nag-out. Bumili pa siya ng food. So around 10, umakyat siya para matulog. Minum siya ng gamot mas mapakaramdam. And then ako ito, medyo napa-extend kasi nanonood ako ng Friends. Usually to stay up, nanonood lang ako ng series, tsaka vlog. So pag uwi ng mga bata, baka lumabas kami. Actually, kailangan namin lumabas. Punta kami ng mall. Sana maka-grocery na magpapagupit. That's the plan for today. I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys! So, paalis kami ni Baby Love. Dala niya manopoli niya. We're going to
Tita Mara's house.
Yeah, Tita Mother's house. He'll stay for a while there, mga 1 na hour siguro, habang nagko-coffee kami. Bukas. Good morning, Bebel Love! Mom's kiss little monster. Mom's kiss little monster. You two are big monster. You're not little. You're not little. Baboy little monster.
Hello guys, we're here at the mall.
Nagdas, may babaw ng ba yan? Pwede bang English?
Yes. And me and Kuya are going to school. We just have to.
To get the signatures in, kuya?
Hey, we're going to pop up. Here's mom's sleeve. There's my button.
Baka naman...
Okay, now we're going to school. Oh, Mamski, nandito na sa bag ko yung papel.
Yes, nandun din sa pinagano.
Okay, thanks. Now we're heading to school.
Massage done. Massage. How do you say it? Massage. Massage done. Groceries done. Pero as in, ano lang siya talaga. Piling. And then, antok na ako. I also bought a new wallet just because I needed, because the dogs ate my old wallet. So I don't have any wallet. And then now we're on our way to Baby Love. Parang yung case ng phone ko, mabigat siya ngayon. No? Nangangawin kamay ko. Talagang pagod na lang ako.
Uy, tayo. Aba. Oh. Oh, sakal mo. Shh, badong. Uy.